Here we are at Chicago School of Flower Design. This is our project today, loose vase flower arrangement, millennial style. First, I injected all the greens into that vase. There's silver eucalyptus, Italian eucalyptus, berries, boxwood, all these you could probably grab out of your backyard. You've got lots of bushes. The secret is texture. Then, once you have all your vase filled with these textured greens, you insert your flowers and it holds it in place in lieu of foam. So that was today's project. I call it the Hot Millennial done right. Lots of greens and vines, all around design. We've got hydrangeas, Asiatic lilies, roses, and mini green hydrangeas. But again, you can see the hypericumberry. This is called Italian euc, boxwood, and the filler today is limonium. So if you want to know how to do this design, you can go to the subscribers list on my website, flowerschool101.com. You can also order it from an online class. This is Michael Gaffney telling you to keep blooming.